Hey, how you guys doing? If you're looking for a opportunity with SaaS, that's software as a service, where you can be able to own your own software and make 100% commissions from from selling that software. This is a mid-ticket to high-ticket opportunity. It's still in its newbie I'm sorry, I got all juggled up there. It's still in its and again, it's still in its newbie, starting out. It's only about 8 or 9 months in, so you can get in on this, and it's not saturated. It's not full of people where you won't have an opportunity to get the business out and promote it before thousands and hundreds of people join in with the opportunity. Right now, we only have 25 paid members in the group. This is a not saturated opportunity. Make money online, direct 100% commissions, get paid how you want, Cash App, Stripe, Venmos, different other payment processing systems. If you stick and rock with me to the end of this, it's not going to be a long video. There's going to be a video either here or there or down there. Yeah, over in that, yep, that corner. It's going to be a video over in that corner that's going to give you more detail about the back office and how to use the My Six Figure marketing system to build your own brand and to attract more leads. So what the tools is that they offer inside is marketing tools. It will allow you to build your list, build your brand, promote multiple streams, promote multiple streams of income, and earn instant daily income. I have a free 4-minute video down in the description that will go over all the details to the My Six Figure Blueprint and the marketing system, to where you can start earning $100, and it has leverage. So every time when somebody joins under you, they make a sale, you make a $25 sale off of that instant commission. This is a wonderful opportunity. Again, it's not saturated. You guys see it has less than 25 members. If you're looking for a opportunity to jump in right now from a low to high ticket opportunity, this is very well beginner friendly. It's already set up for you. You got done for you capture pages. And man, I'm telling you, I get to the video down at the bottom, and it's gonna go over and show you more in detail of the back office when it comes to My Six Figure Blueprint and as SaaS, sales software as a sales. And yeah, go down there, get to the video right there. It's gonna show you, and that 4-minute video give you all the details on the 6-figure blueprint. I'm gonna get with you guys later though.